You miss beetroot. I expect this coconut, we use it in many ways. This is the thing got out of this coconut. Are you getting me? Yes. Many people always eat this and they don't know much about the water. Many people always drink the water, eat this, and they don't know you can get oil from this coconut oil. You can also use the coconut water to boil rice without adding much spices and all that, and the rice will taste so rich and so good. The way we do it, when you get your your grater, when you get your grater, you do what? You start to grate this. After grating it, it will come in flex form. That flex form will be very light for you to blend in your blender. So you pour all in the blender. After blending it, now you have to add water, of course, except if you have the blender that crushes things that are solid, but this has a little water content in it, so it's always advisable to blend it in the blender that blends, watery things. So you chop it. If you don't have grater, you might decide to slice it small like this. Have you seen it? Even like this alone, you can make your healthy nuts with this. Okay, you cut it like this. You might decide to fry it in olive oil and you pack in the jug for the family as a healthy nut. Okay, but if you want to cook rice with the water, after blending, you squeeze out and then remove the sharps. Now the water you've collected is what you will use to boil your rice. I will teach us how to make this when we start cooking. Okay, thank you so much once again for joining me. Keep joining and connecting people and commenting. Thank you. Have a blessed day.